everybody. This is for Bella's 6th grade class in Lee Middle School in San Angelo, Texas. Tervetuloa Suomi or welcome to Finland. My name is Nikolina and I live in Helsinki, Finland. I actually work in the gaming industry. I make games for a living, and now we're in my office. This is Next Games here in Helsinki. I heard a couple of you guys also like games as well. We are filming this inside because actually outside, this is the window, it's quite dark and it's 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Now in the winter time in Finland it gets dark at 3 p.m. So our days are really short. On the other hand, in the summertime the sun sets down only at 11 p.m. so we have very long days. I think it's quite unusual. What else I can tell you about Finland? Let me see. Well, first, it's very cold. I think it's much colder than in Texas. At the moment, it's maybe -1 degree Celsius, but it goes up to -20 when the winter really hits. And you will have to calculate this in Fahrenheit degrees because I don't know, but it's below freezing. And what else I can tell you? Well, as you can see, it's close to Christmas time. So you probably heard that Santa actually does live in Finland. He lives in Lapland and he has his own village. I haven't visited yet, but I heard it's true. And some other thing that maybe you would like to know, that Finland is also known as a country of 1,000 lakes. They're really beautiful in the summertime. In the wintertime they're all frozen. What else? There's also a country of Angry Birds, if you've heard of that game. It's also made here in Helsinki, and I used to work with it. Before I forget, I should tell you a couple of things about myself. So, my name is Nikolina. I'm a production lead making games here in Next Games. In my free time, I have 2 dogs, both adopted, and I spend lots of time with them. And I live in the island called Lehtisaari, just next to Helsinki, with the beautiful nature. People in Finland love nature and they like to go out. I guess I'm a little bit like them as well. And last but not least, I will tell you a little bit about Finnish food. Because you probably heard about Italian food. I bet living in Texas you know a lot about Mexican food. But Finnish food is a bit different. So they don't eat so much meat here, but when they eat, it's reindeer meat. I guess that you can't get that anywhere else. And also they like porridge. It's a very common breakfast food, and they eat lots of fish, especially salmon. There's lots of salmon in Finland. Otherwise, you know, they also like sweets and cakes, just like anywhere else. They call them pulla here in Finland. I guess that's it for now, so thanks guys. Have a great one. Bye.